Google Chrome was targeted in a $34.5 billion bid by AI rival Perplexity amid this antitrust case. Now, this is where this gets crazy here. Perplexity offered to purchase Chrome's browser for $34.5 billion. Perplexity is valued at $18 billion. So they're valued at 18 and they're making an offer for $34.5 billion. Now, you might be saying, well, how is that possible? It does seem like they have a lot of backing to do this from, I guess, wealthy donors or people that are involved, but wild nonetheless to see. Not sure how I feel about that. I do like Perplexity. I guess maybe if it was tied into the browser I use, that's probably a net positive. But nonetheless, the long shot bid comes as U.S. District Judge considers remedies after ruling Google illegally monopolized the search market, with a forced sale of the browser being a possible, though unlikely, outcome. Perplexity's offer may be an attempt to signal to the judge that an interested buyer exists for Chrome and it should be forced to sell. Per the Wall Street Journal report, Google has not indicated any willingness to sell its browser, which accounts for over 60% of the global market. I'm actually shocked it's this low. Just based on my own usage, I would have thought it's a little bit higher, especially if you include mobile devices. Perplexity is a San Francisco-based artificial intelligence startup founded in 2022 that aims to challenge Google's web search dominance. The company recently released its own web browser named Comet. Now, I haven't tried this at all. I have no experience with Comet. Interesting stuff here. The browsers here, I know everyone's got their favorite. Brave gets a lot of talk as well. I use Chrome on both my Mac and my PC. It's really just kind of ease of use. I am struggling with the ad blocker. I've kind of lamented that a little bit, but that's neither here nor there. This move adds to the narrative of AI challenging Google's dominance through the company's core business, though the company's core business remains strong. Dan Ives of Wedbush Securities recently stated, quote, "The death of search is greatly exaggerated," end quote, citing a robust second quarter earnings where search business sales grew 10% to $71.3 billion. This financial strength persists even as 91% of fund managers in Bank of America view U.S. stocks as overvalued. This is the highest reading since 2001. Meanwhile, Google continues to push its own AI initiatives, such as a partnership with NASA on an AI space doctor, while its DeepMind CEO acknowledges that inconsistency in AI remain a key roadblock towards developing more advanced artificial general intelligence. So let me know what you think here. Do you think this is going to go through? Do you think there's any benefit here? Big B's, maybe the issue of Google antitrust could be an out for Google, rather not sure what's going on behind the scenes. This is kind of where I land. I'm not sure what's going on behind the scenes either. I don't really know how this is going to end up. It's just really kind of funny that a company that's worth 18 billion is offering 34.5 to buy Google Chrome. Anyway, we'll see how this all unfolds.